Welcome back to our 28-day challenge for Tai Chi and Qigong for seniors and beginners. Today is day 7. We're going to be doing the week 1 Qigong for Foundations flow, which takes days 1 through 6, puts them all together into a Qigong flow. We start off by shifting our mind, body, and breath. The mind is calm and tranquil. We're not worrying about anything or thinking about anything else. We're just enjoying this moment right here, right now. The breath. We slow our breathing down. We calm down the breathing, slow down the breathing, and breathe deeper breaths to get more oxygen in our system and to calm the nervous system. Long, slow, deep breaths. We adjust our posture, standing or seated, in the ergonomic position. The knees are softly bent, the tailbone is dropped, the head is floated, and it's like the structure can support us in whatever we do. And we don't have to expend any energy. Our structure supports us. We can relax fully into our structure. And that's what we do next. We relax from head to toe. The front part of the body, the back part of the body, and inside. So take a deep breath, and with a sigh of relief, relax the front part of the body. Then again, starting at the top of the head, on the back of the head, where your head meets the pillow, relax the back of the body. Let it settle. Another breath in, and relax and relieve all stress inside with a sigh of relief. Enjoy your breathing and smile from the heart. Then we're going to start our Qigong exercise. Hands float up, overhead, inhale up. Then they go down the front part of the body. Exhale out. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathing in, breathing out. Let the hands float down. Soften the knees and sink. Let everything settle into your structure. Don't think of anything. Just enjoy this moment. And when you are ready to come back, rub your hands together briskly. Cover your eyes with your palms. Enjoy the darkness, enjoy the stillness, and then slowly blink open your eyes. Allow a little light in. Lift your palms. Allow more light in. Dry wash your face. And rub your ears. rubbing coins. Thank you for joining me.